Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to get the App Store back on iPhone and iPad. If the App Store icon disappeared on your iPhone, it doesn't mean you deleted the App Store. It's likely hidden in the folder or in your app library. To recover your missing App Store icon, you will need to search for it. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First, I'm gonna tell you how to get the missing App Store back on your iPhone with search. Tap search at the bottom of any iPhone home screen page and then type App Store in the search field. The App Store should appear in your search result. Tap the app to open it. If the app has been placed in a folder, you will see the folder name next to the App Store search result. If you don't see the name of a folder beside the App Store, you can long press the app and then tap on Add to Home Screen in the pop-up. If you don't see this option, the app is already on your home screen. And if an app is showing to already be on your home screen but you don't see it, you might have accidentally hidden an entire page of apps on your home screen. Next, I'm gonna tell you how to use restrictions to get the App Store back on iPhone. So here's how to get the App Store back on your iPhone or iPad. For this, open the Settings app and then scroll down. Next, go to Screen Time. Next, scroll down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions and then choose iTunes and App Store Purchases. And then make sure installing apps, deleting apps and in-app purchases are all enabled. If an option is disabled, tap the option and set it to allow. Once you adjust these settings, you will be able to find the App Store icon. Open the App Store and install apps. Having access to your App Store is important since it allows you to download new apps and lets you keep your current apps updated. And you are done. And the next step is how to restore your home screen if the App Store has disappeared. What happens if you deleted the App Store from your home screen? You can't fully delete the App Store itself, but if you delete it from your home screen, it can make it look like App Store is missing. Get the App Store back, add the app again from your app library. In rare cases, there is software bug that prevents you from finding or being able to add the App Store back to your home screen. If this has happened, restore your iPhone or iPad home screen to bring back the App Store to its original spot. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and choose General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset and choose Reset Home Screen Layout. And then tap on Reset Home Screen again to confirm. Once you do this, the home screen will revert to its default layout and you should see the App Store icon on your first pages of apps. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to get the App Store back on iPhone and iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.